Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Practical Organic Living. In today's episode, what we're going to do is compare two types of lemons. So we're going to compare the Meyer lemon here, and then we're also going to compare the New Zealand lemon out here. We're going to compare these two different lemons by comparing the size, shape, and fruit. And we're also going to do a quick taste test and compare the different taste profiles and also the bricks of each lemon type. Right, so the Meyer lemon is actually not a true lemon. It's a cross between a lemon and a mandarin orange. And this was discovered overseas about 100 years ago. So this variety's been around for some time. And over here, this is a New Zealand lemon, also known as a lemonade lemon. And this is a variety that's also a cross between a lemon and a mandarin orange. And this was discovered in New Zealand about 30-40 years ago. So it's a pretty new addition to the US. So both types of lemons are supposed to be sweet and not so tart, but have nice flavor. So is that going to be the case? I guess we'll have to find out.
Okay, so we're going to compare the two lemons today, and they're both homegrown. And the New Zealand lemons are from our garden. So looking at the size, the New Zealand are a little bit bigger, but I think it really depends on how much water or nutrients the tree have been getting. And then when we're looking just at the appearance of the lemons, Meyer lemon skin is very smooth. And then for the New Zealand lemon, it's a little more wrinkling. So now I'm gonna cut one of the Meyer lemons, and then I'll cut a New Zealand lemon. So this one is very ripe Meyer lemon. So color-wise, you can see that it's more orange color versus New Zealand is more like bright yellow. Okay. And I do see seeds in both of them. So now I'm gonna check the bricks. Okay. So this is the New Zealand lemon, and the bricks is 8.9%. So the bricks for the Meyer lemon is 9.6%. You're probably wondering the same thing as I'm wondering. So what does that even mean, like difference in bricks? So the New Zealand lemon is 8.9%, right? And then the Meyer lemon was 9.6%. What does that translate to? We know that the higher the bricks, that means the sweeter the fruit is. However, the acidity of the fruit can also affect how we perceive the sweetness. So I'm gonna give you my subjective opinion about which lemon is sweeter.
So now we're gonna actually eat a slice of the lemon just to see how it tastes raw before we juice it. So
I guess we can eat it like a piece of orange,
like
how we would eat an orange, right?
Okay, so let's start with the Meyer lemon.
It doesn't taste bad.
Oh yeah, it doesn't taste bad.
Yeah, it's kind of like a sour orange actually.
Yeah, the way I would describe it is if you were to mix a mandarin orange and a lemon, probably more mandarin orange than the lemon. That's the kind of the taste you get here.
Okay.
If I do a smell test on this.
The Meyer lemon has a stronger lemon smell.
All right, let's smell this.
Yeah.
Okay. That is true.
This is much lighter.
Yeah,
I almost can't really smell any lemon. So if you're looking for like a typical lemon smell, you would go with the Meyer lemon.
I think so.
I think what that also means is like if you want to use the zest, it probably has a more lemon taste. Like you can put it in dishes or desserts. Okay, so we're gonna try the New Zealand lemon now. Oh wow, this is like super sweet.
Yeah, it's actually a lot sweeter. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I actually can eat this, the whole thing.
Oh yeah, definitely. And you wouldn't have to worry about it overpowering your senses, because this is just like super sweet. It literally is a lemonade lemon, as in you could probably just squeeze this and just drink it straight up.
If you're looking for lemons for making lemonade or even like for desserts, this would be a really good choice.
Yeah.
Because the more acidic it is,
you gotta put more sugar.
You're right. You gotta put more sugar.
Let's test it out by actually juicing this.
So this one is Meyer lemon. This one is the New Zealand lemon. So you can see the comparison side by side. This one is the juice from the Meyer lemons, and this one is the juice from the New Zealand lemon. And we mentioned earlier that the color of the Meyer lemons the flesh is actually more orange, and then the New Zealand lemons, the flesh is more yellow, like bright yellow. But the colors are actually very different. Yeah. You can see the difference. So which one is more appealing for drinking? So let's try the juice. Okay, so let's try the Meyer lemon first. You try a little bit.
No.
What?
Right? You know what I mean, right? Okay, we would not recommend this for a lemonade.
Yeah, you
More
do need sugar,
You need sugar.
for the
And
Meyer lemon.
And you need to dilute this too. It's probably a little too strong.
Yeah.
You'd have to dilute this for sure. Can you try this? Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, wow, it's like so sweet.
It's like-
you don't even need to add any sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice.
So that was our episode on comparing the Meyer lemon and the New Zealand lemon. Meyer lemons are actually pretty popular in our area, but we actually don't see the New Zealand lemons being sold outside at grocery stores or even our local farmers market. So we think this is another reason for you to try buying a tree and planting it and seeing how you like the fruit. So thanks for watching again, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye everyone.